Creating content has never been this easy. Do you know that you could now make money with YouTube Shorts in 2023? And did you know that you can learn to do it easily by watching this video? So stay with me and I'll show you how to make more than 4 YouTube short videos in an hour. And if you upload 4 videos a day, you have a good chance of going viral. There are 4 easy steps in this video. Starts with using a tool to write the script for you automatically. And the last step is making the video with an easy online software. And you can even do all the steps on your phone. Also, if you don't think you can make money easily with this method, you can subscribe to my channel and I will always be there to show you the best ways to make money online. How can you get the script? We will use ChatGPT to generate the script. It's an AI that can answer all of your questions. Well, not exactly everything, but most of them. We will make a shorts channel. You should choose a niche. As you can see, there are millions of channels making shorts. We will pick Country Facts. Now sign in with a Google account and then ask ChatGPT to write a script for a YouTube Shorts video about 5 unheard funny facts about Hungary. This video won't be longer than 60 seconds. Wow! As you can see, it generates the script very easily and requires no effort. Turn the text into audio. Next, we'll use Descript to turn the script into audio. Descript has a feature that allows you to type out your script and then generate an audio track based on it. This makes it easy for us to add a voiceover to our video without having to do it ourselves. Go ahead and download it. Sign up on the website, now open it, and as you can see, there are a lot of voices to choose from. I choose this, copy the script, and paste it here. Now you can see how easily it did it. Listen to it. You can't tell that it's generated by a machine. When you are satisfied, you can export the audio. Finding stock videos on Pexels. After that, we will head over to Pexels.com to find some stock videos for our video. Pexels is a great website for finding free high-quality stock videos, and it's easy to use. We'll simply search for Hungary or tourist attractions in Hungary and find some relevant stock videos to use in our video. And we can go to Filter and choose only vertical videos. And we can download it in any resolution that we want. Or you can find videos on YouTube. Now before we get to the 4th step, I want to remind you, if you like to see this kind of content, making money online, getting rich, and doing side hustles that can make you more money than your 9-to-5 job, subscribe to the Empire. Here, we will help you build your empire, editing everything. Finally, we'll bring everything together in CapCut, where we'll edit the video. We'll add the stock videos, the audio track from Descript, and any other elements we need to make our video look great. Step 1. Installing CapCut. First, you'll need to install CapCut on your laptop. You can download the app from the official website, or through App Store or Play Store, or you can use the online version if you want. Once you have CapCut installed, open the app and start a new project. Step 2. Media importing. To start, click on the Import button in CapCut to import your media files. This can include video clips, photos, music, and more. You can import from your hard drive or directly from cloud storage. Once you've imported all your media files, you can start organizing them into a timeline. Step 3. Creating a timeline. In CapCut, the timeline is where you'll arrange all your media files in order to create your final video. Simply drag and drop your media files into the timeline and adjust their order as needed. You can trim or split clips, add transitions, and more, all from the timeline. Step 4. Adding effects and text. With your timeline set up, you can start adding effects and text to your video. CapCut offers a wide range of effects such as filters, stickers, and special effects, which you can use to make your video stand out. You can also add text to your video, such as captions or subtitles, by using the text tool. Step 5. Adding music and sound effects. Music and sound effects can add a lot to your video, so be sure to add them to your timeline. CapCut has a music library that you can access directly from the app, or you can import your own music and sound effects. Simply add the music or sound effect to the timeline and adjust its length and volume as needed. Step 6. Exporting your video. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. Click the Export button and select the desired video resolution and aspect ratio. Finally, click the Export button again to save the video to your hard drive. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create amazing YouTube Shorts. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see the amazing videos you create. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.